Today I'm going to show you how to play 5 Christmas carols with only 6 chords. Now, chords are where we play 3 notes at once in the right hand and they make it easier to play so that we can sing along. Let's see what the 6 chords are first, then I'll show you how they fit in the songs. So the first chord you need to learn is the C major chord. In the right hand I use my thumb, middle finger and pinky. The next one, F major. Usually it's a thumb, second finger, pinky in the right hand. From there, G major chord, thumb, second finger, middle finger, or swap that with the 4th finger, your ring finger on the top there. So those 3 are the most common chords, but we've got these extra 3 to fill in some gaps. We've got an E minor chord, thumb, second finger, pinky, an A minor, thumb, middle finger, pinky, and then this D7 chord, thumb, second finger, pinky. So those are all the chords you need to learn how to play, and if you can play them, technically, you should be able to play any of these 5 Christmas carols. So let's start with the first one. The first song goes something like this. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, over fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, and then we go to the chorus. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! So that's how to play Jingle Bells. Let's move on to the next one. Once again, it's only got the same 3 chords we just did. C major goes like this. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin mother and child, holy infant so tender and mild. Sleep in heavenly peace. Sleep in heavenly peace. Song number 3 goes like this. The first Noel, the angel did say, was to certain poor shepherds in fields where they lay, in fields where they lay, keeping their sheep on a cold winter's night that was so deep. And here's the chorus with 2 extra chords. Noel, 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 Noel. Born is the King of Israel. Born is the King of Israel. Alright, we're already up to song number 4. The verse starts something a little like this. City sidewalks, busy sidewalks, dressed in holiday style. In the air there's a feeling of Christmas. Children laughing, people passing, meeting smile after smile. And on every street corner you hear Silver bells, silver bells, it's Christmas time in the city. Ring-a-ling, hear them ring. Soon it'll be Christmas Day. Soon it'll be Christmas Day. Now here's song number 5. You may have noticed we've only actually played 5 chords, and this is the one where we have the extra D7 chord in it. So listen out for it. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you go down in history. Hey! So that's how the 5 songs go, using only 6 chords. Now if you want to play the full version of any of those songs, all you need to do is sing the different lyrics over the same chords that I've shown you. So I hope you can have a go at them, have a fun sing-along, and have a very Merry Christmas.